you.
What's up, man? What's
Hey.
going on?
Hi there. How
Good
are
to
you,
see
Noble?
you.
Good to see you.
Can you share, like, what's your background? What do you do? How long you been homeschooling?
Yeah, so I'm Evelyn Jenkins. I'm the lead academic advisor for Foundations and Essentials. I've been homeschooling for 19 years now. I've graduated one from Challenge 4. I have a Rising Challenge 3 and a Rising Challenge B child, two different. Um, been a part of CC for the past 13 years now, and then on the academic team for the past 6. So,
Wow, that is
yeah,
awesome.
very blessed, very
Yes,
blessed.
ma'am. Okay, let me ask you this, ma'am. Do you feel like a family's usage of or need of CC Connected evolves or changes
Mm,
based on the program level?
that's a great question, Noble. Um, I would say yes. So as a foundations, if when I only had foundations family children at home, it was, and then as they grew into essentials, it was helpful to be on essentials because there's things specific there for essentials families. But then before my children were even in challenge, I actually subscribed to the challenge tier as well because again, it was that whole idea I need to be a couple steps at least ahead of my children. So it gave me a glimpse into what was coming ahead in challenge. So again, it's that idea of personal learning plan to help me become a better classical Christian educator, knowing the program, the challenge A, B, all the challenges that my children would be going through.
Got it. Okay. That's excellent. Great, ma'am. Well, thank you so much.